Now students, let's take some example of bar graph. So here we given question, a survey of 120 school students was done to find which activity they prefer to do in their free time. So here we given the information or data is activity they prefer to there in free time. For prefer activities, first is playing. Playing is given number of students 45. Reading storybooks 30. Watching TV is 20 and listening music 10. Painting is 15. Now and also a question is given also scale equal to 1 unit length equal to 5 students. So you have take in this scale 1 unit length. If you have suppose you have not given scale, so you can choose any scale of a bar graph. Now here is some given question, which activity is preferred by most. So now first we choose the scale. So scale are given in this question, already in given question. So 1 unit length equal to 5 student. So here we first we now second step is draw the vertical and the horizontal line. So first we draw the vertical line. This is called a y-axis, and the horizontal line, this is called a x-axis. Now the vertical line is y-axis are divided into 5 equal parts. It means starting from 0. Now the first unit length means the 1 square. So that is 5. 5 is 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. It means all numbers are difference between 5 numbers. So 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. These are the equal distance between 0 to 50. Now here be the greatest number is given 45. So you can take more than 45. It means 50. So now let's we start. Here this by-axis is given the information name of activity. It is denoted by the name of activities, and this line horizontal or x-axis line is denoted by the number of students. So now here first we given playing. Playing is number of students is preferred playing 45. It means 45 is here. So now draw the rectangular bar in equal breadth. Now let's reading storybooks. Reading storybooks is given 30. So 30 will become here. And these rectangular bars are difference between two rectangular bars is equal, same. Now 20 is represent here. So the third is 20 and the fourth listening music is 10. So 10 is here is 10, and the last painting is 15. So this is a 15. And write down here, this is a playing, this is a reading books, this is a watching TV. Here write down watching TV, and this is the listening music. This rectangular bar playing, reading, this is a reading books. This is a reading books, story books, and this is a watching TV. This is a watching TV, and this is a listening music, and this is a painting. This rectangular bar is represent painting. So now which activity, now here we given a question, which activity is preferred by most. So now let's which activity. So 45 is the 45, it means the name of activity is playing. So the playing activity is preferred by the most, and the least activity, what is the where is the least activity. So least is listening music, and the most preferred by the 45, it means playing, and the least activity is listening music, that is 10. So you can draw the bar graph for this method and take suitable scale. Then after draw the bar graph. Thank you.